It's a great feel-good factor for doctors, nurses, and all health workers across Tamil Nadu, even as the country touched administering 100 crore doses, 1 billion doses. We come to you from a health facility run by the Greater Chennai Corporation in Chennai, and with me, a team of doctors, nurses, and health workers. In fact, this center was packed till a short while ago, and they have completed the day's doses of little over 100 doses. And with me, Dr. Sureka. Doctor, thank you very much for your time. How does it feel the country has crossed 1 billion doses?
I feel so proud of being part of this program, sir. It's a pride moment for all of us, especially the public health personnel. This is actually a team effort. We have all put in our efforts and achieved this. I can understand the problem from the planning end, from the supply chain management and all the logistics involved in getting this vaccination from the manufacturing end to the end user. How much of planning and meticulous allotment and diversification would have been required for all this. This is purely a teamwork, sir. All the people, the citizens have cooperated, all the workers, the volunteers, the doctors, the nurses, the data entry people, everybody has involved themselves into this matter. And the citizens have cooperated so well that we were able to achieve this landmark benchmark, this landmark achievement. Really a pride moment for all of us.
Dr. Kritika, the state has achieved 68% in terms of first dose, and only 25% in second dose. Why is this lag, doctor? Is there kind of a vaccine hesitancy now?
No, sir. Actually, we can't say it's a lag. As we know, the first dose of Covishield will be on the first day, then the second dose will be after 84 days. But in case of Covaxin, it's only 28 days. So those who have taken the first dose of Covaxin, they would have completed the second dose. But in case of Covishield, they have to wait for 84 days. In the coming months, the second dose will be more actually. And another one point is, because if the patient has, after taking the first dose, if they become a COVID positive, then they have to wait for another 3 months for the second dose. So that may be one of the reasons for the second lag in the second dose. So by the coming months, the second dose will be more actually, sir.
Right. We also have a volunteer who and his team of friends come every day in the morning, streamline the people who come and line up for their doses. What exactly you do and how important is your work?
As volunteers, we assemble in the morning. We make sure that the people get the convenience of receiving the tokens and they are not disappointed with no vaccine. So vaccinations are available on a day-to-day basis. So we typically come here at 8 a.m. We streamline the crowd. We distribute the tokens and also manage the crowd to make sure that the process is seamless with the support of team of sisters here. So that's
You leave your work and come, is it? You and your friends?
We also do our work in parallel. Now we have the convenience of doing work from home options remotely and so on. And some of us are businessmen, so we also manage our business with the help of our workers.
What makes you do this?
Some sort of selfless service for the nation, that's all, nothing more. We gain happiness when we see people are all vaccinated, our friends, our families, our relatives are all protected with vaccines. So we are happy to see every Indian being vaccinated.
With me, Akash, who has come for his second dose. Akash, why did it take so long for your second dose?
The thing is, I wanted to check with my doctor to ensure that I can take my first dose. So I had to check with my doctor, and I had my first dose in my office like 3 months back. So today I came for a second dose. It's right on schedule. So there's a function in my home like in 2 weeks. So I thought this would be the perfect time to get vaccinated. Yeah.
Is there generally a little bit of vaccine hesitancy when it comes to second dose among people?
Yeah, as soon as they put the first one, they're like, okay, I'm a bit relieved, like that. Some are skipping it. Even my father, he took a long time. He didn't put it on schedule and it got delayed a bit for him, yeah.
Doctor, a few months ago, Tamil Nadu also had witnessed shortage of vaccines. How was the situation now?
As such, now there is no shortage of vaccine. Vaccines are available on all days, and we are giving in mass vaccination programs also. We are able to distribute vaccines. There is no short supply as of now.
Of course, we are very proud. Actually, I am the only doctor from my school batch. So I am able to vaccinate all my school friends and their parents. since I am here, they are feeling very confident to get vaccinated, and they are all very happy. So I'm very happy to be in this service.
Yes, sir. Three cheers to 1 billion vaccines. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Thank you all very much for your time. And in fact, the Tamil Nadu government would launch yet another mega vaccination camp this Saturday. And this time they target 30 lakh doses, and the focus is going to be on the second dose. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find TV.